What's up, gentlemen? This is the video for this mini for the AT Max. We're looking for top 3 spots win. Top gets 8, second and third each get 4 spots in the main. We are live. 240. List here. We have 8 entries. Travis on the top, William on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 12 times at 240. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11 spots, we have William, Travis, and William on the top. We must go 12. Good luck at 241. 241. Last and final roll. Top 3 spots advance. Congratulations goes to Travis, Michael, and Travis. Congratulations, you two. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won. We are done at 241. 241. Congratulations again. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.